There's a war brewing between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's all about the zoom camera. Now we're hearing more details about Samsung's telephoto upgrade along with an even better display. Let's start with the camera. You may have heard that Apple is finally going to offer a periscope zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which would give that handset a 6x optical zoom. That's a major boost versus the current 3x zoom for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But Samsung isn't sitting still on the camera front. Last week, reliable tipster Ice Universe said that next year's Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixels 3 telephoto camera, which they now claim will use a 1/2 52-inch sensor. With this sensor, Samsung should get a nice 5x zoom image quality, and that's the reason why there were rumors of the 3x telephoto unit from the Galaxy S23 Ultra getting replaced with a 5x telephoto camera on the S24 Ultra. While Samsung is upgrading from the 10 megapixels 3x telephoto unit, Ice Universe says the Korean brand will continue to use the 10 megapixels 10x periscope camera from the S23 Ultra, just like the 200 megapixels primary camera and the 12 megapixels selfie camera. It's unclear whether or not Samsung will reuse the 12 megapixels ultra-wide unit. Notably, the Google Pixel 7 Pro offers a 48 megapixels 5x telephoto zoom camera, so Samsung could be playing catch-up here. The Pixel 8 Pro is tipped to feature a similar zoom setup. Meanwhile, the more mysterious tidbit from Ice Universe is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will finally get an upgraded screen. Well, we've heard from one source that Samsung may decide to increase the refresh rate on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to 144 Hz. That would be a nice jump from the current 120 Hz and presumably make those shopping for the best game phones very happy. Another report in Korean publication Chosun points to the Galaxy S24 series getting M13 OLED displays. These new M13 display material is tipped to be thinner and higher quality than existing panels. Interestingly, the iPhone 16 is rumored to be using the same display technology. In other words, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a true upgrade over the current-gen Galaxy S23 Ultra. Some of the possible improvements might include overall brightness, which may cross 2000 nits at peak. The panel could also offer better energy efficiency, helping in keeping the battery drain low. There's no denying that an iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra battle would be the one to watch out for in the future, especially given how they'll closely stack up against one another. So stay tuned to our channel for all the latest rumors and leaks regarding the upcoming S24 lineup. See you in the next one. Peace out.